Every prayer feels like a monkey paw, grasping wild and twisted answers. I didn't want these, I swear. But maybe I'm yelling in the wrong language, or maybe your silence is the loudest thing I've ever heard. I turn my eyes to the sky, trying to read between skies, between clouds, between the cracks. But all I see is shifting shapes and shadows, and maybe I'm just chasing illusions. Is this a test or some cosmic joke, where I'm the only fool in the audience? Did I mess up? Did I say the wrong words, or is there no right word at all? Sometimes I wonder if you're just out there, laughing quietly behind the curtain, watching me stumble around, messing up the script you wrote down. Or maybe you're so far away, watching a play that's stretched too long, where my lines get lost in the noise and the echoes bounce back empty like prayers on repeat. And I'm left here scratching my head, wondering if I'm missing the meaning, or if the meaning just isn't meant for me to catch. Is this some strange game, some twisted fib, where the answers only come by breaking my mind? Am I blind? Am I wrong? Did I speak your name in the wrong tone, or do you just want me to walk alone? But I'll stand with shaking hands, hold on to the promises you made. Though the laughter feels so near, I'll keep climbing through the fear, because your word says you're faithful, even when the night feels endless. Maybe this is the winding road where faith stretches thin before it grows. Monkey paws mean lessons, not curses or forgotten pleas. I see now the crooked path leads me closer to your heart's map. You're not laughing to mock, but inviting me to trust unlock. In every unanswered prayer I sense your steady